With the plastic Renewer Blacktraction RS, it's easy and convenient. Renew the plastic from 6 to 16 months. It must be applied with a brush on dry and not too hot plastics. A few minutes after application must be uniformed with a cotton cloth to left the little bit excess product and to be sure after absorption the finish is uniform. Perfect for further plastic of garden furniture because the finish is dry to touch with the most longer duration of effect of many months. Renewable, the only one resistant to aggressive cleaner and degreaser, who don't break away like a paint. To left the hard residue of wax, dirty or oxide, RS should be applied with an abrasive sieve of a sponge to wash dishes or with a fine steel wool to stamp the chemical property of the products with a mechanic action when it's necessary.